On the lookout for the perfect blending buddy to make your kitchen adventures smoother than ever? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the realm of the top 3 best blenders in 2024. These blenders are not your average kitchen companions. They come packed with features that set them apart from the rest. With power that can blend anything in its path, durability to withstand the test of time, and a promise to deliver an exceptional blending experience. These blenders are here to elevate your kitchen game. Welcome to Top Pick 3, where we cut through the noise and bring you only the very best. Just a heads up, the links below are affiliate links. We believe in transparency and want to make your blender picking journey as smooth as the blends these machines create. Let's find your top pick from our 3 top choices for 2024. Number 3, best budget, Magic Bullet Blender. Are you ready to transform your kitchen experience? Introducing the Magic Bullet 11-piece. Personal silver color blender, a culinary marvel that effortlessly crafts chunky salsas, creamy dips, refreshing smoothies, and festive cocktails in a matter of seconds. Beyond its remarkable speed and versatility, this blender boasts a compact design, claiming far less countertop real estate compared to its bulkier counterparts, such as full-size food processors and blenders. Despite its modest size, it stands poised to tackle the diverse tasks assigned to both these kitchen workhorses. The Magic Bullet facilitates the seamless blending, mixing, and chopping of your favorite foods, demonstrating its prowess in culinary finesse within seconds. Anchored by a high-torque 250-watt motor, this appliance transcends limitations, enabling you to craft an array of sauces, dips, drinks, and snacks without restraint. The product package includes essential components such as the 250-watt motor base, a cross-blade, a tall cup, a short cup, a party mug, 2 lip rings, 2 stay fresh resealable lids, a to-go lid, and a 10-second recipe guide, ensuring a comprehensive and user-friendly experience. Distinguished by its stainless steel cross-blade and super durable BPA-free plastic cups, the Magic Bullet prioritizes both durability and safety in its construction. Cleaning becomes a hassle-free endeavor as a simple twist detaches the blade, allowing for easy rinsing with soap and water, while the cups find a convenient home in the top rack of the dishwasher. The product also comes with a 1-year limited warranty, underscoring the manufacturer's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. As you embark on a journey of culinary exploration, let this kitchen magician redefine your cooking experience with its efficiency, versatility, and user-friendly design. Number 2, best overall, Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. This blender boasts a formidable 1,000 watts of professional power, capable of effortlessly crushing ice and breaking down the toughest ingredients. Powered by electricity via a corded connection and drawing 12.5 amperes, it stands as a reliable kitchen companion. The XL capacity of its 72 ounces professional blender pitcher makes it an excellent choice for crafting frozen drinks and creamy smoothies suitable for the entire family with a maximum liquid capacity of 64 ounces. This substantial size ensures you can prepare generous batches with ease. The blender employs total crushing technology, delivering unparalleled power with its blades that can pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in a matter of seconds. This sophisticated feature elevates its performance, promising efficiency in food processing. Particularly noteworthy is its proficiency in ice crushing, swiftly transforming ice into a snow-like consistency. This functionality opens the door to creating delectable resort-style frozen drinks in the comfort of your home. When it comes to post-blending cleanup, this appliance shines. The pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, ensuring that maintaining its cleanliness is as straightforward and effortless as the blending process itself. This feature underscores the practicality and user-friendly design of the blender. In conclusion, the package includes the 1,000-watt motor base professional blender, along with the 72 ounces total crushing pitcher, complete with a lid. This blender not only promises power and efficiency, but also adds a touch of convenience and versatility to your culinary endeavors. Cheers to a seamless blending experience. Number 1. Our pick, Vitamix Blender. The Vitamix 5200 is a versatile kitchen companion that facilitates the creation of a variety of home-cooked meals, from refreshing smoothies to indulgent desserts, all within a matter of minutes. With its variable speed control, boasting 10 adjustable speeds, users can effortlessly achieve different textures, maintaining complete control throughout the blending process. The convenience extends to the 64 ounces container, thoughtfully designed in size and shape to accommodate both small and large batches with equal efficiency. One remarkable feature of the Vitamix is its ability to produce hot soup in approximately 6 minutes. The high-speed blades generate enough friction heat to transform cold ingredients into steaming hot soup, adding a dynamic dimension to the culinary capabilities of this kitchen appliance. Ensuring a consistently smooth texture, the patented designs and precision of the Vitamix can pulverize every recipe ingredient, including the tiniest of seeds. The reliability of the appliance is further accentuated by its hardened stainless steel blades, crafted from aircraft-grade steel, capable of handling even the toughest ingredients. This ensures that the quality of results remains consistent from the first blend to the last. Cleaning up is a breeze. A drop of dish soap and warm water, and your Vitamix machine cleans itself in just 30 to 60 seconds. The comprehensive package includes the motor base, 64 ounces container, a handy getting started guide, and a classic tamper. Everything you need for your blending adventures. Those are the top 3 best blenders in 2024. We've sifted through the details and tested them out, so you don't have to break a sweat. Links to these stellar blenders are waiting for you down below in the description. If this guide helped you out, throw us a like. It makes our day. And hey, stay tuned. We've got another awesome video popping up on the screen. Trust us, you won't want to miss it. Until next time, happy blending. Thanks for watching.